Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I am going to guide you through how you can unmute story from someone on Snapchat. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now tap on the chat icon. Long tap on the username of a person who you want to unmute the stories from. After that, tap on privacy settings and now toggle off the button beside my story. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.